Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to install the Amazon Shopping app on an Android phone. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, let's go to find our Play Store. This is the App Store of our Android or Samsung. So just tap on it, tap on search right here, and then go to the top, tap on the search bar, and then just basically type down Amazon Shopping. Okay. Tap on Amazon Shopping right here or tap on the search function at the very bottom. It doesn't matter. Here you have Amazon Shopping from Amazon Mobile LLC. So just basically tap on install, wait for the download process to finish, and afterwards it will just install by itself. Okay, as you can see here. And once that's done, you'll have an open button right here. You can just basically tap on open, or you can go ahead and check your home screen. Okay. So open right here or check your home screen. Here we have it. You can just tap on it to open it up. And once that's done, just log in or sign up with your Amazon account. All right. And that's how simple it is to install the Amazon Shopping app on an Android phone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.